Hey guys, what's going on? Adam here with Indy Farm Life. It's cold. Got a fun project for you guys today. We're gonna do some milling with a Woodmizer. Got a guy coming to mill up a bunch of logs. Gonna build a lean-to against this Quonset hut here. Just don't have enough storage for everything we have out in the farm. Namely this utility trailer, the barge wagon. Probably keeping the dozer up here yet this fall, and then the backhoe, which will probably live in Chris's barn over the winter so we can work on it and whatnot. But gonna build a lean-to next to this Quonset hut and trying to do it on the cheap. So gonna mill up these logs for lumber. Had them just laying around from when we cleared the lot for our house. And then for the posts, we're gonna use some telephone poles we bought on Craigslist and some sheet metal we bought on Craigslist. Let me show you. So there are the telephone poles Chris and I ran down and got several weeks ago. I think each one's 20 foot long, some much larger than others. So it's gonna be fun digging those holes. Some big boys in there, but we'll make it work. Much cheaper than buying things at Home Depot or Menards or Lowe's. And then just yesterday I picked up all this sheet metal from a guy on Craigslist who was reskinning his barn. Maybe he's watching, but should be put to good use. But yeah, I'd like to get something up, yet this winter or fall before winter against that there Quonset hut, so we got some storage. So I'm gonna grab Big Green and start rooting through this log pile. The guy just texted me a minute ago and said he's on his way with the Woodmizer, so should be an interesting day. So that there's the pile of logs we're gonna be milling up. Obviously some of those up in there that are completely hollow or nothing but junk. We want the root out of there, but got a decent stack. Do have a couple pieces of red oak in here, might slab a few mantles out of, but I went through and kind of tallied up what we need. I need quite a bit of lumber, so hopefully this pile will be enough to get us what we need and can save us some money. There's a decent amount of junk in the front of this, but there's some big boys laying right here. It's also really cold. It's running a Woodmizer LT70. This thing is pretty awesome. I think I want one.
He said grab the big lumber. Okay, you got it. Careful what you wish for. "14 feet long and 2 foot in diameter." I should have got a big one. Yeah, this will do. The worst part about this, taking a 14-foot log and squeezing it between 12-foot openings in the trees. Tetris, here I come.
Starting to stack it up out here. I think that's about 5 logs. Kind of slowed down for a while there though. We had a little breakdown. His belt was rubbing inside there, so we had to take a break to fix that. Got a pile of shrapnel there. Pile of sawdust there. There's a Chris. There's some 1x, some 2x, and an awesome Woodmizer. Starting to stack it up. This thing's incredible.
This one should make some pretty nice boards, I'd say. I'll just carry it. There's the big lumber. That's about 21 foot long, just over 2 foot in diameter. It's all the 4052R has to lift it, can't really even curl it. So may need to cut that one, but we'll see, who knows.
All right, back at it. Day 2. Should be relatively quick today. Most of the logs are pretty well gone at this point. Just kind of get some 2x4s out of what we have left. Got over here a few ticks early this morning. I'm going to try to clean up this pile of debris right here. And he wanted me to rake this sawdust pile away as well. So I'm going to do those two things and then maybe cut a few logs and get them stacked up so we can have some smooth operations this morning. Been at it for a few hours this morning, starting to stack up. The red oak that we milled was pretty awesome. Got a couple big mantles laying over there. I think you guys saw that. That's what's left, but Probably won't mill most of that. Kind of small. Well, I'd say we're gonna hang it up for today. I'll tell you, the Woodmizer LT70 is pretty awesome. But got some spoils, got some good lumber, some byproduct, that one by there, a couple big manels, 6x6. All in all, it was worth the time and effort and money. As always, appreciate you guys stopping by and checking out this video. If you would, hit that subscribe button, that like button, come back and see us. Many more projects on the way. You'll see the stuff being used to build this lean-to here before too long. Take care.